Booking follow-up appointments on a recurring basis. Let's say if the patient needs to come in every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for a certain number of weeks. So let me start from maybe Wednesday, and let's say I want this patient to come at 2 o'clock. So I'm going to book Michael Wall, and this time I'm going to make it a recurring appointment. So I'm going to repeat this appointment on a weekly basis for every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday until maybe the end of June. And this patient is going to come in for a follow-up. Don't forget the reason here. So I get the patient, I get the reason, and I get the beginning date, and I have a recurring every week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now if I hit save, what it did is it booked every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from now on. Now, if one appointment needs to be changed, I can just drag and drop that appointment. Maybe this patient needs to come early, so I can do that. If you did need to delete this appointment, if I right click and say delete appointment, then if I hit yes, it knows that this is a recurring appointment and it asks you, do you want to delete only current or all of them? If you hit all, it will delete the whole sequence. If you only delete current, it will only delete this particular one, but everything else stays. I hope you found that helpful. Click below for the complete Medisoft Online Academy by MicroEyes. Or you should know that if you sign up for the Medisoft Cloud by MicroEyes, you will get the complete online academy at no additional charge. Also, we provide one-on-one training. Let's get your practice running at peak efficiency. Don't compromise. Go MicroEyes.